Hi, it's November, so that means it's time for another Tokyo Treat Box. I'm going to go through what's in November's box this year, and I will actually try one or two of the snacks this time for you. So here we have our theme, which is Awesome Autumn. Very cute cover pamphlet with our little, oh, I can't tell if it's a fox or a corgi. For fall, I think foxes, but you know, you never know. So starting in the back, we have a lot of information about additional treats you can earn. There was a note about a specific treat that did not come in the box. There was a thank you for continuing to subscribe even though things are crazy in the world. This month's Lucky Treat box is amazing because it is all Demon Slayer merchandise, which I would be excited about. And then finally we're getting to our snack menus. This will be my little reference for you to explain. Now, once again, I ordered the premium box. I will put the price difference below. But in the premium box, you usually get a drink, you get a full snack size item, like a shareable size snack. Once again, I had a bag of Kit Kats in this one and a couple of other bonus items as well. So I will start things off with some of the premium items. So for being a premium subscriber, the first item I received is sweet potato osatsu crackers. So they are purple and yellow, which I think is really cute. They're going to be sweet potato flavored. Sweet potatoes are the flavor of the season. I am excited to try them. They're crunchy, like they feel incredibly crisp. So I'm going to set these aside because they might be one of my, actually no, we're going to save those. I don't want them to go stale. Another premium item that I received are these cream cologne. I don't know what cream cologne is, but let me see. It says that these are these are sweet potato snacks, but there's not like a blurb about them in the book because they made a boo-boo and forgot to mention that it was one of 2 possible snacks. So I'm not sure exactly what they are, other than that they are sweet potato flavored and they are called cream cologne. So we'll see what those are like. They look kind of chewy in the middle. The next premium item we got was some turtle crackers, Yamato turtle crackers. They have a cute little turtle on the package. It claims that they're sweet and salty, so I'm actually going to give them a shot because I like the turtles. I like turtles. So we'll give them a snack. They are, they kind of look kind of turtley, like little turtle shells. Oh, it's really bright, I'm sorry. Like turtle shells. Take a bite. They have like the slightest hint of sweetness. They're not as salty as I thought they would be. They're not salty at all, but the texture is good. It reminds me of just like cereal. We're just having some corn pops for a snack. They're pretty good. My shareable size premium item this month are cheesecake flavored Kit Kats. It says they have a little bit of salt in the wafers and cheesecake flavored batter, so we're going to try those out. Of course, I have now tried apple pie flavored, ocean salt flavor, and Witch's Brew marshmallow flavor from America, and now we're going to give cheesecake a try. Again, the shareable size snacks are awesome because you get roughly 12 Kit Kats with the Kit Kat bag, and you can share them with friends. Oh, look how cute. It's so small. I smell cheese. Like I can smell cheese. It doesn't taste necessarily like cheesecake specifically, but it's definitely like a sweet, cheesy taste and smell. I'm not sure how I feel about these. And then with the premium subscription, you usually get a drink item. I was excited about this one because it's a Demon Slayer cross brand with this Dido blend coffee drink. So it's a coffee drink of some kind, and it was supposed to have Demon Slayer characters on it, except I don't actually know who this is. And I've watched the entire first season of Demon Slayer, and I have no clue. Is she one of the butterfly girls? I thought it was Muichiro first, but it's not. So help me out if you know who this is, because I don't, and that's sad, because I really like that show. And now we go on to the snacks that are included in everybody's box, whether you're premium or not. So we have some Kaibi Kataji plum and bonito flavor. These are supposed to be thick cut chips with a plum flavoring. I mean, the picture to me looks like sauerkraut and kibasi pieces, but I guess those are like preserved plums, or however you would prepare plums in Japan. So that'll be interesting. We have some corn balls. Of course, these are onion, cheese ball, corn ball flavors. If they're anything like the corn puffs from last month, they'll be delicious. We have these cool Aji curry chips. They're curry flavored, like they almost look like French fries, curry flavored chips. But don't worry, if you want American French fry, here we go. Here is USA fried potatoes, baby. That's like potato sticks. I want to see how American they taste, so we're going to open this one. In honor of the election this week, we're going to taste some Japanese America. Okay. Texture, much fluffier, more like a veggie straw. I mean, it tastes like a French fry. It's not soft in the middle. It's not soft and potatoey, but it definitely tastes like a crunchy version of a French fry. So good job. Tastes like America. What else? We got little ramen crunchies. That looks good. We got this Uncle Pierre's roll cake. It kind of reminds me of a ho-ho or a Swiss cake roll, but it's vanilla looking. It says, yeah, that it will be an instant treat. We got some tasty version of Pocky. It's very similar to original, but I think it has a it's made with cultured butter. So it looks very different than the traditional Pocky boxes we buy here at like every 5 and dime shop in America. So we'll see what's different. We received this Don Don Yaki kimchi flavor. It's a bite-sized cracker tasting like kimchi. I like the little festival design, that's really cute. We have mochi taro. This is a salty fried mochi snack. I like mochi when it's on like ice cream. I'm not sure about savory mochi, so I'm definitely gonna have to check this one. We have caramel taro. So we had onion flavored taro, which are these, and now we have caramel flavored taro. So I think taro is just like crunchy snacks. We have an umaibo. This one is cheese flavored, kind of like the ring version I had last month that was spicy. And last but not least, we have these really cute design little galaxy looking cookies. These are called Constellation Choco Cookies. I love chocolate, so anytime they include something chocolatey in my box, I get really excited. So yeah, that's November in a nutshell. As you can see, like, you get a ton of snacks. They're all decently sized. When I hold each pack in my hand, they're about the size of my hand. They're not like little teeny, 2 cheese puff packages. And I'm still impressed with the quality of the box. So I'm definitely gonna have to give some more of these foods a try. And looking forward to December to see what kind of Christmassy, wintry treats they include. Thanks for tuning in. Have a fabulous day.